success, turning every test into a teaching tool. Linking the slip test to criterion referenced assessment, distinguishing it from norm reference testing, and ensuring its proper conduct in mathematics classrooms. 1. Why formative assessment matters. Assessment is not merely a grading exercise, its core purpose is to identify learning gaps and strengthen conceptual understanding. In mathematics, a subject built on logic and sequential reasoning, assessment must go beyond rote recall and check whether students can genuinely apply concepts to solve problems. The slip test is the most common formative assessment (FA) tool used in our schools. Conducted briefly and frequently during instruction, it gives teachers real-time evidence of what students have and have not understood, so that teaching can respond immediately rather than waiting for a unit or term to end. 1.1 Where the slip test fits in the assessment cycle. Formative assessment (FA) and summative assessment (SA) are complementary, not competing processes. Assessment type, primary purpose, timing, example tools. 1. Formative assessment. Continuously identify learning gaps and guide instruction in real time, during instruction. Lip tests, quizzes, concept maps, exit tickets, lab observation. 2. Summative assessment. Evaluate cumulative learning at the end of a unit or term. Post-instruction. Unit tests, CRTs, term examinations. The slip test's power lies in its timing. Because it is administered during instruction and evaluated quickly, its findings can still change what happens in tomorrow's lesson, something a term examination can never do. 2. The slip test, as a criterion referenced test. A well-designed slip test functions as a criterion reference test, CRT in miniature. A CRT measures a student's performance against a fixed set of predetermined learning outcomes or standards, not against how other students performed. When a slip test is prepared strictly from SCERT guidelines and mapped to specific learning outcomes, it stops being a random set of questions and becomes a precise diagnostic instrument that tells the teacher exactly which outcome a student has or has not mastered. Key link. Slip test equals formative assessment tool in practice. Criterion referenced test equals the design principle that makes it meaningful. A purposeful slip test is in effect a mini CRT administered frequently,